Sheet formats used in drawings can be customized to comply with your company standards and saved for later use. Typically, a custom sheet format begins as one of the generic sheet formats supplied with SOLIDWORKS and changed to include company logos, special notes, and any other information that you wish to include in your drawings. Custom sheet formats can also be imported from other CAD applications or extracted from existing SOLIDWORKS drawings. In this example, I'll show you how to take a generic sheet format and add custom notes to make it your own. I'll begin by starting a new drawing with a B-landscape sheet format. Since we're only concerned with the sheet format and not the rest of the drawing, I'll switch to Edit Sheet Format mode. If you need clarification on the difference between Edit Sheet and Edit Sheet Format mode, see the section entitled Introduction to Drawings. Take a look at the notes here in the corner. There are two types of notes here. These standard notes, which are nothing more than text, and these smart notes. Smart notes allow you to display information about a file instead of typing it in each time. For instance, here under Material, instead of typing in steel, a smart note is used to display the material of the model contained in the drawing. If this was not a smart note, when I used a model made of plastic, I would have to manually edit this note to read plastic and not steel. In an earlier lesson, we covered how to create standard notes. Here I'll show you how to create a smart note. Use the Note tool, just as you would with a standard note, and click the location of the note. Instead of typing in text, click on this button to link this note to a file property. Since we're linking to a file property, you can choose whether you want to link to the current file, which is the drawing file we are working on, or a model shown in a view. This would be a part or assembly that would eventually be displayed in this drawing. For this example, I'll use Current Document and select a property from the list. In this case, the author of this drawing. Adjustments can be made to justification and font as needed. The sheet format includes notes, but also the title block fields. These fields are created with lines just like a sketch, so they're easy to modify. In this sheet format, I'll get rid of the revision block up here in the corner. I'll select the line segments and hit Delete to get rid of the line segments and the notes altogether. Now that I've made some changes to my sheet format, I'll go ahead and save it. In the File drop-down menu, you'll find Save Sheet Format. I have two options. I can overwrite the standard B-landscape sheet format, or I can create a new custom sheet format and leave the original B-landscape unchanged. I'll select the custom option to create a new one. Now when I create a new drawing, I can select the Custom Sheet Format option and browse to my newly created sheet format to start with. This concludes the section on drawings in SOLIDWORKS. If you feel unclear on any of the sections presented, feel free to review any specific category from the menu.